Hello, welcome to On Tools. Today we're going to focus on tools which would have originally been in Jaguar toolkits. Some nice vintage tools, most of which are found at the car boot. Let's go start off with a screwdriver. Vintage Jaguar screwdriver. These have been reproduced and you can buy replicas and you haven't got the outline around there, so look out for that little outline. Be aware of that. Quite rare to find screwdrivers on the car boot. That's the first one I've ever found on the car boot. So a very nice find, worth searching through the bottom of boxes of screwdrivers just to find little gems like that. Right, moving on to this adjustable spanner. This one's actually a Daimler. The Jaguar ones are identical. This is a Barco one. Quite a nice 4-inch adjustable. Works quite nice. The 4-inch adjustable spanners are quite expensive. Never found any in that car boot. I think I purchased that one off eBay. This is one I purchased recently off eBay within a job lot, only because I recognised what this looked like even when it was dirty by the shape. The fact it hasn't got the hole in it. Bit of a giveaway. You also can get these with Daimler stamped in them as well as Jaguar. Personally, I don't like these 4-inch ones made by Garrington. They did an older design which I think is slightly better, but this design I don't really like. I think that's too recessed, making it quite fiddly to use. They don't run as nice as the Barco ones. So it's nice as a collector's piece, but as a practical item I wouldn't recommend it. I think there's lots better ones out there. Garrington also made a lot of other spanners for them. This is a vintage Garrington spanner. Normally these would be in a set of 4. That's another Garrington one. Then we have a Snail brand. These would have also been in a set of 4, depending on the set. Some of them would have been Garrington, some of them Snail brand, some of them SSP, Sheffield Steel Products. Again, would have been set 4. And TW Williams Super Slim. Again, would have been set 4. So quite a few brands to look out for. Snail brand, SSP, Garrington. In my experience at the car boot, I normally in the past I found more Garrington and SSP than Snail brand or TW. There's one missing from that set. So moving on to more modern but still vintage and classic Jaguars, because you don't get a proper toolkit anymore. So these are probably from around the 90s, maybe a bit earlier, maybe a little bit later. Sheffield Steel Products, SSP. This must have been at a bit of a changeover period, because with the imperial measurements, sometimes you got these in a set which also included metric measurements. So you can find metric Jaguar spanners. So that's a SSP. This one's a Gordon Tools Sheffield. Again imperial. And here we have a Gordon's Tool metric. Another Gordon's. Sheffield Steel Products. Gordon's. And here we have a Gordon's, which is a imperial. So there's quite a few Jaguar tools to look out for. A few different types, a few interesting things on tyre pressure gauges as well. There's only a certain one found in Jaguar sets normally, especially the vintage ones. Being a Dunlop where it doesn't have the end that unscrews to remove the valve. Normally a valve removal tool was a separate item, sometimes in brass, sometimes in yellow plastic. The toolkits also included a Lucas distributor key, setting the points. So there's lots of different Jaguar things to look out for. And yeah, quite interesting, well worth picking up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment.